guys,
Okay.
welcome back to Two Crazy Kids and a Cat. We're at Orlando,
We're in Orlando, Florida. We're right now at this beach. We're at the Atlantic Ocean. We're at the Atlantic Ocean right now. We're at an ocean. On Bailey's birthday, like a couple of weeks ago,
We went to Monterey.
we went to the Pacific Ocean. The temperature is actually surprisingly warmer than the Pacific.
This sand is so uneven. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, I know. I've already noticed. Just look at it. Don't underwater view? Ah, that's not.
I don't think you should put that in the water.
What is it? It's waterproof.
I know it's waterproof, but why is this so uneven?
So today we're not going to Disney. We're doing that
we're doing that tomorrow.
What's my birthday?
At Magic Kingdom, and we're gonna film it for you guys. Yeah, we're gonna film it for you guys.
What's the water?
I like the water. It's not too cold. Woo!
But the wave.
It's beautiful.
Oh, you got the camera with me. Hope that doesn't ruin anything. I think I just ruined the camera.
What'd you do?
I can't tell. No,
Jennifer,
no.
cut this out.
Never mind. No, it's fine. It's just the screen turns off in the back. We're in the ocean. Bailey's running for her money, and there's my fans over there. We're in the ocean. Hey, come on, let's continue the vlog. Tomorrow's my birthday. We're gonna go to Magic Kingdom.
We're just gonna film us at the beach for a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
It's a nice hot day.
This is just the birthday. Maybe do some.
We're at Cocoa Beach.
I kind of want to do some filming at Disney Springs.
We should film a
We're going that. We're gonna do that.
We should film us there.
We're gonna do that today.
At our hotel.
Look at the wave coming. Well, I'm over here. We're in the water now. Yeah, we're really wet. Well, no, my legs are wet. No. If you look over, there's a drone. There's Bailey over there. Oh, run away! Run away! Too late. Dang it. We're in the ocean. Tyler, say hi to the people. Tyler, say hi to the internet. Tyler, say hi to the internet. Oh, it's so wet out here. What? Okay, fine. I'm coming back to Bailey because. Oh no! No! No!
This is so much fun, you guys.
I'm excited.
This is our first time at Florida.
It's kind of weird.
Last time.
No, not. Probably put a camera over there. Oh, don't get the camera. I don't want to get.
I don't want to go that deep.
But there's a bunch of people here. Don't pay attention to anyone.
Yeah, sorry.
Just pay attention to my big face. There's water that just went right on me. Now my body's wet.
Let's step over all the waves.
Oh, the last time I was. Oh, guys, we'll be going to Jurassic Park. It's open here. We're going on some of I think I'm able to record that because I recorded it in the. I recorded that.
Universal Hollywood.
Yeah, I don't think it's ever gonna be posted or anything. There wasn't that big. We went.
I don't want to get my hair wet.
I'm not going to see those people over there. Those are my family. Don't pay attention to anyone else on the side. Just the person straight down there. Just those two. Don't pay attention to anyone else because everyone else is just random people. There's a plane up there in the sky.
Yeah, the plane had a lot of turbulence.
Oh, yeah, it's weird.
It was not the best flight, but it was not the worst flight.
But
we had to pay for snacks.
no, you didn't.
Yeah, but we didn't. Yeah,
No.
you had to buy snacks if you
Oh
want
yeah, but we
them.
got pretzels for free though.
They're free.
That's great. That's great. We're at the ocean. We're at the ocean. We're at another ocean.
Oh my god!
I didn't say I've been to two oceans. We saw the Disney cruise.
There's so many rocks on this.
We saw the Disney cruise.
Yeah,
It was
we did.
huge. My grandma said she's seen bigger cruises. Apparently, and then we suggested the Titanic. It was a joke, obviously.
Yeah.
We didn't think. We didn't think. I would trip backwards, really. Oh no! 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 No!
Are you done with your camera?
Ow.
Oh.
There's shells. Watch out for crabs.
What?
I might do some filming in Disney Springs.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll continue. I guess we'll continue the video.
You should film a little bit everywhere we go.
There. Yeah, we should. But I think that might be it for the ocean right now, for the Atlantic. So the beach is annoyingly hot, but we'll see you at Disney. Well, I should see you at the Springs. Right.